Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Vinny, and today I'm not wearing a watch. That's because it's in this box. You can probably tell by the title of this video what's in here, but I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys. Well, I've worn it already, but I couldn't wait. But I want to go ahead and share the initial experience of what it should be like with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with that. But first, before we do that, I want to go ahead and thank you guys so much. The channel has done a lot better this last week. We've been getting new subscribers, a lot more people joining the community. So I just want to thank you guys for joining me. It means a lot to me, and I love making these kind of videos for you guys. So, if you do like it, give it a thumbs up and just comment down below, just so I know that people are watching and interacting. It helps me out a lot too. So let's go ahead and jump into this, and let me know what you guys think. All right, let's go ahead and get this unboxing started here. So let's lift up the outer sleeve. Reveals the green. I don't know if it's real leather or not. Feels like real leather. No, it's definitely not real leather. Anyways, outside box here. Moment of truth. And here it is. This is a 2020 Rolex Submariner 114060. And we'll go into some more close-up shots. But yep, this is dated back in February. I got this from a dealer off the forums. And I'll go ahead and talk more about pricing and what I got it for in a separate video. But for now, let's just go ahead and take a look at it and just enjoy it. So along with the watch, of course, your superlative hang tag. Got my extra links here. Price hang tag. Roll the flap down, and here we should have our instruction manual. So this will teach you how to wind the watch, all that good stuff. Warranty manual. And of course a warranty card and booklet itself. Here I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys the serial number on this, but yep, everything's complete. So here we are. This is a 40mm version, again dated 2020. Awesome new oyster bracelet. This is the double clasp. And this one has the slide lock adjustment, so you can simply just clip it out, slide it out, and then of course if you want to bring it back in, just push it back in. So that way it's easy adjustment on the go, unlike the 5mm adjustments on the Explorer and the Explorer 2 I have. This one is quite a bit more. For the most part, you can probably remove about 2 or 3 links worth. So here it is. Now, one of my favorite features of this is of course the unidirectional bezel that moves, and it just sounds so amazing. Now of course this is used to time and measure how much air is left in your air tanks when you're actually using this for its intended purpose of diving, but you can just hear the quality. Cerachrome bezel, and I do believe this has platinum deposits in it to make it really strong, but also in the numbers around, and it just gives it a different look and different shine. Of course, each hour indicator does have white gold surrounding it, as well as a Mercedes hand. Now, the dimensions of this piece, let me go and set this back up to 12 o'clock. Now, the dimensions of this piece, of course, it's a 40mm watch. The height from top to bottom here is 48mm. Lug to lug is 20mm, and the height, it's not that big of a watch. It's about 12.5mm in height. The oyster bracelet is fully brushed, has a full brush finish on both sides, of course. And the only parts that are polished are going to be the side of the watch case, and of course the side of the links, the shoulders. But other than that, I prefer the brushed look over having a polished center link. I just think this is a little bit more low key, and it doesn't stand out as much, which I like. So let's go ahead and put this on the wrist and show you guys what it looks like. I have a 6.5-inch wrist, which I believe is about 16.5 centimeters. And this just fits so nicely. super comfortable, extremely comfortable. I have been wearing this lately and I've had no complaints. I've worn it all day long. Now, a big reason why I decided to go with the new version of Submariner, one, I have a weird feeling that 2020 subs or 2020 sports models might be worth something one day, just because of kind of our weird times here, serious times I should say, because everything's closed down. I'm not sure how this is going to affect the supply, but also, to be honest, they're really close in price. If you're going to be buying a used one, I paid a really good price for this, and I'll dive deeper into that in another video. But also, I love the Cerachrome. It's just gonna last. It doesn't fade. The bezel does not fade. It's super durable, so if you do wear it every day and you do hit it on stuff, it should weather really nicely. Now I want to go and show you guys a little bit of the chroma light. So of course, this is gonna make all the looms light up, so you can see it in the dark. It's a bluish teal tint. Of course, in the dark, it gets even better. Just have some light coming in the room right now, so it's hard to really showcase the color. So a few quick tidbits before we go and wrap this video up. This does come with a 3130 movement and a 48-hour power reserve, meaning if you wind it up and you use it a little bit and then you set it down, it should continue to keep time for about another 48 hours. I'm sorry, I said 42. 48-hour power reserve. This is water resistant. I want to say water resistant or waterproof up to 300 meters. And it actually will say that. Let's see if I can get that zoomed in there. It says it right there, right below the Submariner writing. So 1,000 feet, 300 meters, and this should keep time plus or minus 2 seconds a day. So extremely accurate, 3130 movement. Now there's a lot of rumors saying that this might get replaced or there's a new Submariner coming, and it was supposed to be released this year, but of course with the current situation it got postponed. Nonetheless, I really think that if you can get a good deal on one or have been wanting one, to go ahead and pick it up, because honestly I absolutely love this watch so far. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it makes a great daily if you want to wear it for that sense. I'm going to be wearing the Explorer daily. I kind of want to preserve this a little bit more, but yeah, go ahead and post any comments below if you have any questions about it, and I'll go ahead and answer any other questions that I might have left out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that little experience of being able to unbox the Rolex 114060 with me. Again, if you have any other questions, just put a comment below. I haven't had enough time to wear the watch and give you guys a full review, but after about a month or so, I will be able to kind of get that for you guys. But in the meantime, just if you have any comments, just drop them below. But yeah, just want to wrap it up for this one. I don't want to make it too long. Please do subscribe, please do like the video, it helps me tremendously. Like I said, the channel has been performing a lot better lately, so I'm trying to upload more and keep you guys consistent. I know that a lot of people are in quarantine right now, so they got nothing else to do but to watch YouTube videos, so at least I can give you a little bit of entertainment, whether it be 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But yeah, please do subscribe so you are notified when I post another video, and of course hit the like button for the algorithm. So I'll see you guys in the next video.